Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. So, a lot of times when we decide to go on a detox, that was a blooper. And I'm not going to edit it out either. But a lot of times when we decide to go on a detox or a cleanse, or even to take vitamins or other supplements, we may feel as if they're not working. That's because we need to thoroughly cleanse the body first. You want to lose weight, you have to start by detoxing and getting rid of the junk that is built up in the intestines over years and years of eating and piling the food on top of the food, on top of the food, and on top of that food. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, that all needs to start being cleansed from the body, right? Because you're not going to absorb the nutrients from the food or from the vitamin supplements that you're taking because your colon is in a detoxified state, right? So, in order for things to be effective, because you may be telling yourself, oh, it's not working. I've been taking this for a month and it's not working, because you first have to start with a very good cleanse, right? There are all types of fiber supplements. Of course, you can eat foods that contain fiber, and that will help to shrink the belly and get rid of some of the toxic junk that has built up, right? This is what needs to happen. Again, I didn't make it up. I'm just sharing the information so that you don't feel like you're just taking vitamins and you're not getting the energy, or you're not getting that boost that you feel as if you're supposed to get or want from them, right? Start with a good colon cleanse. This video is not sponsored, but you can go to naturesunshine.com and order a clean start. You can go to someplace like the vitamin shop and get a bottle of chlorophyll, right? You can even go to GNC. They have a complete cleanse. It comes in a box, and you can use that. It's similar to the clean start that comes in a box from Nature Sunshine. So those are just 3 things that you can take to start cleaning out your colon. I would recommend that you do it for at least 10 to 14 days, if not 30 days. Really, 30 days make a habit. A lot of people say 21 days, but really it's 30 days that becomes a habit. And really, to solidify that habit, you should do it for at least 90 days. A lot of times we give up within a week or two and we don't see it through, and then we say, because we live in this instant gratification society, so we want it right now, right now, right now, right now. But things take time. It's not going to happen overnight, right? And again, to really solidify your weight loss journey, or your journey to good health, whatever it is that you're wanting to do or attempting to do, I would say you should do it for at least 90 days consistently, right? It's all about consistency. The 30 days is just so that it becomes a habit. But the 90 days is so that it really becomes effective in your life and it becomes a part of your life, right? So again, start with a good colon cleanse. You can even have a colonic done. Google is your friend, right? Google places you can go to have a colonic and really get some of that stuff flushed out of your body, because literally we're full of shit. Pun intended, right? So I hope that was helpful. I love y'all. Later.